Okay, we are here in Telecom, Victoria 3356. We got an outdoor unit, and the size of this unit is 6 meter deep, 3 meter wide, and 3 meter high. This is a drive-up unit, and I'm going to show you some of the goods here. So from outside, this unit is pretty messy. In fact, it's very messy. Fridge here. Nothing is tested, so there's no warranty or guarantee. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit, and once you empty the unit, we will refund you back the $250 cash deposit. If you come across any personal effect, non-saleable personal stuff like papers, documents, personal photos, digital file, we'll appreciate if you can leave it behind. Okay, there's a washing machine here. It's a top loader washing machine, and I believe there is a vacuum cleaner here. Okay, once again, this is in Telecom, Victoria 3356. Okay, thank you for watching.